Hey everyone! Have you ever wanted a tiny crochet ghost to hang on your car mirror? Well, today, I'll guide you step by step to make one that's super cute and perfectly spooky. Welcome back to Agape Love. If you're new here, I create crochet tutorials that add a little charm to your everyday life, and today's project is extra special, a cute little ghost sitting on a swing for your car mirror. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. First, we will make a magic ring. Take your yarn, wrap it around your fingers, pull the yarn through to create a loop, and tighten it onto your hook. Not too tight, just comfortable to work with. Now work 6 single crochets. First insert your hook into the ring, then pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops on your hook, and pull through both loops. That's your single crochet stitch. Like this, we will work 6 single crochets into the ring. After 6 single crochets, we will do a slip stitch into our very first single crochet and chain 1. So our first round is complete. For the next round, we will do increases, which means 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. Continue this all around, and at the end you should have 12 stitches. Then close the round with a slip stitch into this V. Now for round 3, we will do 1 increase and 1 single crochet, which means first 2 single crochets in 1 stitch, then 1 single crochet. Repeat this pattern all around, and in total, you should have 18 stitches. So now the tough part is complete. For rounds 4 to 10, we'll work 1 single crochet in each stitch. No increases, just simple stitching all around. So my round 10 is complete. Now for round 11, we'll create the wavy bottom. Do 3 DC in 1 stitch. Then skip 1 stitch and work 1 single crochet. Again, skip 1 stitch, then do 3 double crochets in the next stitches. Repeat this pattern and complete the round with a slip stitch. And round 11 is done. Our ghost body is almost complete. Now let's add the safety eyes. Place them with a gap of 2 stitches and secure them properly. And the ghost body is complete. It's already looking so cute. Now for the swing, I'm using black yarn, but you can also use brown yarn if you like. Let's start with 20 chains. After that, do 10 more chains. This part will be the seat where our ghost will sit. Now work 10 single crochets into these chains. After 10 single crochets, chain 1 and turn your work. Then do 10 more single crochets. And slip stitch into the very first single crochet. Now again, do 20 chains on the other side. Now I'll use a needle to sew the ghost onto the swing. Place the ghost on the seat and carefully sew it in place. You can also use a hot glue gun, but I prefer sewing. I also want to add a cute little smile, so I'm using the same needle and yarn to stitch it. I'm using my eyeshadow palette. Just lightly add a soft pink touch. Now let's tie a knot using these 2 tails. And your crochet ghost on a swing is ready. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more cute crochet tutorials. And tell me in the comments, what should I make next?